Social conditions of Satavahana dynasty. Social conditions of Satavahana time could be discussed from Katha Sagaram, which was written by Somadeva Suri. Soma Deva Suri. During Satavahana's time, the society was patriarchal society and the Chaturvarna system is present by the time of Satavahana's age itself. The fourfold division of Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas, and Sudras of society in Telangana has taken root. Brahmins used to study Vedas and Vedangas. Whereas Kshatriyas used to learn the art of governance and waging war. War and governance. Vaishyas look after the trade and business. And the last one in Chaturvarna system, Sudras took up agriculture. Foreigners such as Greeks, Sakas, Pallavas, Kushans got Indianized and gained recognition of Kshatriyas. During Satavahana's time, caste system was not very rigid. And it is there in Sagaram that intercaste marriages have taken place during Satavahana's period. We get this through Hala Satavahana marrying Leelavati, Sri Lankan princess. Gautami Putra Satakarni, the great ruler of Satavahana dynasty, is opposite to the above. He proudly declared that he tried to root out violations to Varna Dharma, as Varna Dharma is losing its purity and austerity. Next, let's discuss about the Varnas of Satavahanas. According to the Puranas, Srimukha, the founder of Satavahana dynasty, belongs to Sudras. And according to the literature, Prachina Vajmayam. What? Prachina Vajmayam. Satavahanas belongs to Sudras. According to Puranas and according to Prachina Vajmayam, Satavahanas belong to Sudras. And according to Katha Sagaram, which was written by Somadeva Suri, they belong to Ikshas. As the Satavahanas are born to Ikshaman and the Brahmin lady. Next, Nasik inscription, which was given by Gautami Balasri, mother of the greatest ruler of Satavahana dynasty, Gautami Putra Satakarni. Satavahanas belong to Kshatriyas. As she described herself in the Nasik inscription as Rajarshi Patni. Next, and according to Dvatramsika Puttalika, they belong to Naga sect. Joint family system was prevalent during Satavahana's time. And coming to the status of women, women had respect and freedom in the society. Ladies from the upper class families during Satavahana's period used to wear the status of the position of their husbands. They used to wear titles like Mahabhoja, Mahasenapati and Mahatalavarani. Mahabhoja, Mahasenapati and Mahatalavarani. Many Satavahana rulers begin to wear the name of their mothers before their name, as I discussed in the political history of Satavahana dynasty. Gautami Putra Satakarni, Vasishti Putra Pulamavi, etc. And even the property rights and education right have also existed to women during Satavahana's period. It's quite interesting that some queens have become the part of administration also, even though they belong to 271 BC period people. Naganika, wife of Satakarni I, after her husband's death, assumed administrative responsibilities by acting as a guardian to her son Vedasri. Women also involved in trading and nigamas. About nigamas, I have explained in the Battiprolu Nigama Sabha inscription in the inscriptions video. Please do check out if you haven't watched the video. And coming to the social evils like sati, polygamy, prostitution are also present in the Satavahanas period. Please do subscribe to Study with You Mahi YouTube channel for more videos related to Satavahana dynasty. I have made the videos on Satavahana dynasty and kept in the separate playlist of Satavahana dynasty. Please go and check once. I have given very clear explanation in each and every video. Please do check out, like and share the video with others also. It might useful for someone. Thank you.